I replaced rice and corn with this soil superfood. My garden exploded with life. What if I told you the secret to mind-blowing plant growth isn't what you plant, but what you feed your soil? Forget rice hulls, forget cornmeal. They've had their moment. What's coming next will completely transform your garden. This isn't hype, it's science. Because when you feed your soil the right way, it comes alive. I'm talking about explosive root systems, unstoppable growth, and soil that literally buzzes with life. Welcome to Soil and Crops Central, where we go beyond traditional gardening and dive into the living world beneath your feet. Today, we're unlocking the ultimate soil superfood, a powerful mix of natural ingredients that can wake up tired soil and turn your garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem. Your soil isn't dead, it's hungry. Most gardeners think their soil is bad. The truth? It's not dead, it's starving. Years of planting, watering, and using synthetic fertilizers strip away the living community that makes soil thrive. Those fertilizers may feed your plants for a while, but they starve the life underneath. Rice hulls and cornmeal? They offer structure, sure, but that's just scratching the surface. Soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. There are billions of microorganisms, bacteria, and fungi working in harmony beneath every handful. When they're properly fed, they supercharge growth from the ground up. But, when they're ignored, plants can suffer no matter how much fertilizer you pour on. So, to fix this, we need to feed the life, not just the leaves. Biochar. It's the ancient secret that just refuses to die. Let's start with what I think is the real game changer, biochar. This stuff isn't new. Ancient civilizations used it thousands of years ago to create soils that stayed fertile, well, pretty much forever. Biochar is made by heating organic matter like wood chips or coconut shells with very little oxygen, producing a carbon-rich, charcoal-like substance that's absolutely packed with microscopic pores. Those little pores are like homes, tiny apartments for all sorts of beneficial microbes. But here's the real secret. Biochar only works when it's charged. Uncharged biochar can actually soak up nutrients instead of releasing them. So, to charge it, you just mix 1 part biochar with 2 parts compost tea or liquid fertilizer and let it soak for, say, 24 hours. Once it's activated, you blend 1 cup of this mixture into every gallon of soil. What happens next is incredible. Your soil starts breathing again. It holds moisture longer, balances pH, and becomes a permanent home for soil life. It's not a one-time boost. It's a lifetime investment. Once biochar is in your soil, it keeps working for centuries. Vermicompost, the living nutrient factory. If biochar builds the house, vermicompost fills it with life. Also known as worm castings, vermicompost is the gold standard of natural fertilizers. It's made when earthworms digest organic matter and release castings packed with enzymes, beneficial microbes, and natural growth hormones. Mix 1 part worm castings with 3 parts soil when starting seeds, or simply sprinkle a handful around each plant every 2 weeks. You can also make a liquid version, add 1 cup of worm castings to 1 gallon of water, stir, and let it steep overnight. The result is worm tea, a natural probiotic drink for your plants. Use it to water your garden every 10 days, and watch your plants respond within days. Greener leaves, thicker stems, and faster growth. Worm castings don't just feed plants, they revive the microbial world underground, restoring balance and energy where synthetic fertilizers have wiped it away. Now that your soil is alive, it needs minerals, the foundational nutrients that modern soils are missing. That's where basalt rock dust comes in. This fine volcanic rock powder is loaded with essential trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron. It slowly releases these nutrients over time, rebuilding the soil structure from the ground up. Spread 2 cups of basalt rock dust per square meter of garden bed or mix it into your compost pile. Over the coming weeks, you'll notice sturdier stems, deeper leaf color, and richer tasting fruits. Basalt doesn't just feed plants. It recharges the mineral cycle that nature intended. While basalt repairs from below, Kelp Meal brings the energy of the ocean straight into your garden. Dried and powdered seaweed is, honestly, one of the richest natural sources of trace minerals and growth hormones known to man. It fuels root development, boosts chlorophyll production, and strengthens plants against heat, pests, and drought. To use it, just mix 1 tablespoon of kelp meal into every gallon of water. Stir well and use this solution to drench the soil once a week. You can also sprinkle kelp meal directly onto the soil before watering, or even blend it into your compost. The result? Faster growth, more vibrant color, and plants that recover quickly from stress. When you combine kelp with biochar and vermicompost, your soil becomes a complete system, alive, balanced, and resilient. Here's where everything comes together. Humic acid acts like a communication system between your soil and your plants. It's derived from ancient organic matter and has a unique ability to bind nutrients and make them more available to plant roots. To make a liquid humic acid drench, just mix 1 tablespoon of humic acid powder into 1 gallon of water. Use it every 2 weeks to improve nutrient absorption and water retention. When paired with biochar, basalt, and kelp, humic acid amplifies their effects exponentially. It's like flipping a switch that lets your soil work smarter, not harder. Finally, the unsung hero mycorrhizal fungi. These beneficial fungi form a living network around plant roots, expanding their reach far beyond what roots can achieve alone. They help plants absorb water and nutrients more efficiently while shielding them from disease. At transplant time, just sprinkle a teaspoon of mycorrhizal inoculant directly onto the roots, or you can mix it into the soil around established plants. Then, water thoroughly to activate it. Once established, these fungi create an underground web that connects your entire garden, allowing plants to share resources and signals. It's really the ultimate teamwork happening beneath the surface. Now for the formula that brings all these elements together. The Soil and Crops Central Superfood Mix. In 1 gallon of water, add 1 cup of worm casting tea, 1 tablespoon of kelp meal, 1 teaspoon of humic acid, and half a cup of pre-charged biochar. Stir thoroughly and apply this mix around the base of each plant once every 2 weeks. This is honestly your soil's power smoothie. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice your soil taking on a deeper color, a richer texture, and honestly, plants that seem to just, well, grow overnight. This isn't just about feeding your plants, it's really about awakening your soil. You know, rice and corn definitely had their time, but the new era of gardening is built on living soil. When you feed the life below, the life above just kind of flourishes naturally. Your garden becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem, vibrant, balanced, and, yeah, just bursting with abundance. So, the next time you think about tossing in rice hulls or cornmeal, just pause for a second. Feed your soil the real way, with biochar, worm castings, kelp, basalt, humic acid, and fungi. Then, just watch as your garden transforms into a thriving world all its own. If this video gave you some new ideas for your garden, don't forget to subscribe to Soil and Crops Central for more soil science secrets and regenerative growing tips. Go ahead and hit that like button, share this with a gardener who's ready to level up, and let's keep the world growing, one living handful of soil at a time.